Purdue University engineers have developed a method to transform existing cloth items into battery-free wearables resistant to laundry. These smart clothes are powered wirelessly through a flexible silk-based coil sewn on the textile. In the near future, all your clothes will become smart. These smart clothes will outperform conventional passive garments thanks to their miniaturized electronic circuits and sensors, which will allow you to seamlessly communicate with your phone, computer, car, and other machines. This smart clothing will not only make you more productive but also check on your health status and even call for help if you suffer an accident. The reason why this smart clothing is not all over your closet yet is that the fabrication of this smart clothing is quite challenging, as clothes need to be periodically washed and electronics despise water. Purdue engineers have developed a new spray sewing method to transform any conventional cloth items into battery-free wearables that can be cleaned in the washing machine. The researcher says that by spray coating smart clothes with highly hydrophobic molecules, they are able to render them repellent to water, oil, and mud. These smart clothes are almost impossible to stain and can be used underwater and washed in conventional washing machines without damaging the electronic components sewn on their surface. This technology is published in the journal NanoEnergy. The rigidity of typical waterproof garments and their reduced breathability make them feel uncomfortable after being worn for a few hours. The researcher says that because of the ultra-thin coating, their smart clothes remain as flexible, stretchable, and breathable as conventional cotton t-shirts. Unlike common wearables, the Purdue smart clothes do not require batteries for powering. By simply harvesting energy from Wi-Fi or radio waves in the environment, the clothes are capable of powering the circuitry sewn on the textile. One example is a battery-free globe that illuminates its fingertips every time the user is near a live cable to warn about the possibility of an electric shock. Another is a miniaturized cardiac monitoring system sewn on a washable sweatband capable of monitoring the health status of the wearer. This technology can be fabricated in conventional large-scale sewing facilities, which are expected to accelerate the development and commercialization of future smart clothes.